see bibi baba tono asam no so baby afiri na no ahye. It is alleged say Dr. Lawence Tetteh one say Assemblies of God udima akotini ye pa e de nsem bi ato on ma say ano ahye ye asam na no ahye ko Facebook live this year na hwe ni Philly Gadoji e tie be na baba to the ex-president John Dramani Mahama. You can see and komu. Okay. Now main comment be bring our yes issue so na yem fan live. So Kozi say bibia dem a yen ko anim na yen share video no live. Okay.
President of Ghana in the Fourth Republic who have not been to my crusade before. Every one of them, from President John Lawence to President Ronaldo, they all sat under my meetings where I have preached before. So even if they have nothing to remember at all, there are messages I've preached that they all remember. During the days of the Methodist Church, during the days of the Anglican Crusade, during the days of the Presbyterian Crusade, these are crusades that if you're a politician, you're a smart politician, you don't want to be that crowd. Politicians believe in a crowd, so they come anyway, all of them.
94.5.
You can say something and it will not make sense to the people. Then I finished one of the crusade and the prophet came to me and said he has a word from God for me that I shall advise President Mahama that when he becomes the president, he should not pick anybody from the Muslim background, because if he picked it, he would die. I'm sorry I'm saying, but you have to say it. And I told him straight that what he's saying is nonsense. President Mahama at that time, as far as we know, his mother was a practicing Muslim. He himself has brothers and sisters who are half Muslim. He went to school in the north. And so, how can you say this? It's not possible. That same gentleman forgot. And he went to another friend of mine, Bishop Isaac Kwe. And Bishop Isaac Kwe that they should tell Nanado that if he takes any Muslim in his cabinet, that's the end of his life.
His cabinet?
Yes. So, Bishop Isaac Kwe, who is my brother, we have our own relationship. He called me and said, Jale, there you go. The guy came to me and told me this about this president. And he's gone to this other Bishop Kwe to tell him about the other person. What are you trying to prove? We don't need to prove any point to anybody. In the first place, in Ghana, the Muslims and the Christians, we have a relationship. It's only in Ghana that the collaboration between the Muslims and the Christians is very strong. You can go to Nigeria.
Well, that's right. And you know, say utie ayedie papa yeka. Enyina ya idin was studio ha. And ye share no seriously. And na no nsi e kra na mti say ojama to be money, but ye be sha say from Ima Benso. Na yet any comment about it. Two stories about it. Your person pick piano. Next year, ya bona baso ya attending program isu. Sanso and a year doctor
government only policy. There be ya de any policy. Into momo de ene de ya de ene say ya kana wa mpenia near the veranda boys ne azoka boys ni mule Jimmy for no near the omaba near meska kakrama okateche free fan money fix the country for no ma share Jimmy for be say Kofi Blay no yellow say mon konko ye a way demonstration na wa dwene ye adwuma for the first time wo de wo se we su hu ya wo se wo de wo ye Jimmy for wo ye NDC ni Jimmy for na we su hu ya for the first time in our life, in the life of Ghana. Assembly plants aye they assemble cars abagana we nyansania me ye nyansani ntini minim say nne na ye hihye ne keke wa ha ochina bi beba afi de ye be manufacture parts and things here na mesre wo say Ghana for pa nti e de ankra nti mo gidi pa say de betumi asolve ane Mahama Into my shop as a Mahama and Kwan betumi asesa Ghana for 4 years. What Jimmy o? Momo bebre ma twene nya adwuma o. Obi aye minister, waye MP, Why a vice president? Why a president? Once Sagana. Hey. When you're serious, I can't 4 years, but so now do you see the agenda? You met 2 women in Diska, President Mahama, the Oba Bechiska, will be a BDB. Insulting a president here, we're not fighting for the country. Captain Smart, what have you done for the country? What the honest of baby fake news from Mamauska? That is all you are doing. What has been your contribution? Now let me tell you something. In case you don't know, one district, one factory is not just a government initiative. It was a government in conjunction with private sector. In Tisa Bamba, no be who says Darko farms, a good Darko farms, and a Tiomonka, Frititeno, and nay and Tiomonka. It is our Bamba, no could raise a juma. And I mean, is you. That's why I always say this. So Ghana for we are our own problem. Meboa, you see a page, Meboa. Abain biso kasapreko ni na egugu. Abain biso se kasapreko ya company. Ma yemfis kan shim na anya den empeja said the be Ghana bebu no bi benya adwuma ye. O se ade ntina abain no ekwa akọbua kasapreko. Which means I want tears here. Which means say amembo dia wo kan Captain Smart, you don't understand. Why didn't you say I'm like why didn't you say Jata Cement? Because Jata Cement also had the idea to have this cement even when his brother was the president. So stupid Captain Smart, why didn't you sit on that when you have phone na ujina so sa kwasi for radio station na ujina so no. Say Moabi radio station na ujina so no. Why didn't you stand there to also talk about anka wunya kan kasa preko no na anka waka Jata Cement? Utie. Because Jata Cement, na you are a president. The environment wasn't conducive enough for him to go into that business. Ada na unka kasa di ropa. Ada na unka ekumfi fruit juice. Ada na kasa preko nkwa na woka because e no na e wo ho bia ni me se kasa preko de se yensa na ye nom dada. Na wo Ghana na me bisa se kasa preko na yensa nom dada. No mo standing to saying kasa preko no mo standing to saying. Obi say where is the money they borrowed? The money they borrowed has been used to take care of somebody like you and your family's kids who are going to free SHS. The money they borrowed is the reason why they are able to employ your stupid senior brother who was not able to get job after he finished university, so he became a graduate unemployed association. It is that same money that is employing him for NABCO, giving him $700 a fucking month. I'm like 700 cedis away 1 month. Seriously, you want to know where the money or the money they have borrowed is? And no na Mahama, unkwasia president for no mubidi yeso na mu NSA unkwasia party a Jimmy for party NDC babidi yeso no. E car mo man krofo wi aye. Savings and loans a mo man krofo bi ye di bia Ghana no. Enumu 21 billion ye million ye dia settle sa de no. Unkwasia loans na mo jeje ne dada no. Eno na ye de service. Eno nkwasi alone na wojigu wa ukopeja wonsa se IMF we de wa mba me wu no eye no eje sa nkwasi aka na obo ye no e na kufu ado dis eska na itua utie dia wo ka no me kire mo de ye diska na ye because mo ye jimi fo mo si mo ani afrifra ya nenne